Alright guys, I gotta do it this way. I forgot my damn freaking flip again, but luckily I have my camera on me. So, today is Thursday, August 30th. I meant to do my workout, as you can see. Felt really good. I actually had to ask them today, because I'm starting house sitting tomorrow, if there's one, if I could visit the one that's close to the house I'm sitting, because it's going to be an hour drive. And, I don't really feel like doing that every single day. But they were like, oh yeah, it's $5 every single time you want to go. And I'm like, yeah, I'm not cuffing up $30, $35 to visit them for a week. So I got to call their manager and see what's going on there. Otherwise, today went pretty good. I just kind of did some research and I watched a couple more videos and kind of kept it easy. Went to the library, got a couple books, and I still got to pack and stuff for my house sitting tomorrow. I do want to give a shout out to Shelby. She probably won't see this for a while, but she followed me today, and that girl is just incredible. And she has met Justin, and she just kind of gives everyone hope to know that don't worry, someday you'll meet him too. So thank you for following me. And this song is actually my song of the day, and I've been getting a lot of coincidences lately, but sometimes it's just freaky. So this is her song, and I did again. This happens randomly, and here's my song of the day. Alright guys, that's it for tonight. I'll catch another one tomorrow. Let you guys know whether or not I'm going to the gym. I might just do some workouts at home or take a walk, or I might just come up here just maybe 3 times in the next week. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, you have a good night and go Aggie!